Welcome back to the fourth and final episode in this four-part series where we're exploring how we can take the Nuance package we created and use it in a variety of different methods. So just to review real quickly, first video we covered how to package Nuance Power PDF. In the second video, we looked at delivering that to a system that already had a local version of Office installed and how the add-in was dynamically added and removed from that environment through Cloudpaging. Then in the third video, we took that same package and we delivered it to a variety of desktop endpoints, both persistent and non-persistent, delivered through PVS. So here in the fourth one, we're going to take that same package again, same one we've already had up on our Cloudpaging server, and we're going to show how we deliver that using Xenapp. So here I am, I've already keyed into one of our Xenapp servers. So we have two Xenapp servers here in this delivery group. And this is the directory where the Cloudpaging player is installed on that system. And by default, it doesn't have any applications in it. It's just the Cloudpaging player. We've made a few changes, and I'll put the link to all the information about that down below in the comments section. But we have an article on our support forum that talks about how to set all this up. The key thing is we have this little helper script here that's going to tell our Cloudpaging player how to load the application and get it up and running for the user. So on the Xenapp server, nothing extraordinary happening there. So I'm going to exit out of here, and we're going to go back to our desktop. So you can see here, this is a storefront. Here's all my Xenapps. I've got a few cloud-paged applications and a few other standard applications here. But before we launch any of those, I'm going to go over to my PVS server here and just show you how the application is configured within Xenapp. So we manually define how this application is set up in Xenapp. We're basically just going to call that VBS script, but that VBS script for the given application, we're going to pass it the license GUID from the Cloudpaging server. And in this case, this is my license GUID for Xenapp, or sorry, not for Xenapp, for Nuance. And then we're also going to tell it what command to launch for Nuance once Nuance is virtualized on the system. So that's really the only thing that's kind of a little bit different than setting up a standard application, is we're actually going to call that helper script to help us out there. Now when I go back to my desktop here with Storefront, you can see there's the Nuance Power PDF Cloudpage app set. This is the exact same one we created in the first video. We haven't changed anything about it to use it for Xenapp. It's exactly the same as it's been through all these other videos. When I click on this, what's happening in the background right now is that helper script is saying, hey, Cloudpaging player, go load this application from the Cloudpaging server onto the Xenapp server and start it up for this user. And then once it's started, it's going to display that for me. And then of course, once I have it up and running here like this, it works like it normally does through Xenapp. The one unique thing here is when I stop this, instead of it staying on the Xenapp server, what's actually going to happen is our player has a registry key setting. It's going to realize that this application is stopped. It's going to remove it from that server. The blocks that make up the application will probably still stay in the player cache, but the application itself won't be virtualized on that system. So when I go to launch it again, it'll re-virtualize it, feed it out to me for use. But that's the basics of it. So as you've seen through this video series, we've taken Nuance Power PDF, we packaged it in a few minutes, and then we had a lot of flexibility of how we could deliver that. We delivered it to a virtual machine that had Office on it, showed the add-ins that had been removing of those. We delivered it to a bunch of different types of Windows desktops within the Citrix environment, and then we've also delivered it through Xenapp. Please contact us on our website if you want to learn more. The link to that is numecent.com, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.